This universe, the endless sky adorned with billions of stars, galaxies dissolving into the abyss of time, the melody of gravitational waves, and the silent pull of black holes, all seem like an invisible cosmic symphony. This boundless beauty, this mysterious emptiness, is it all just a meaningless accident? Where did we come from? How did this vast space-time begin? Today we seek answers to the eternal question: how did everything begin from nothing? The universe, an infinite canvas. Each galaxy holds more than 100 billion stars, and there are billions of such galaxies swirling around us. The Hubble and James Webb telescopes offer glimpses into this silent stage, where every star and dust particle plays its own role. Amidst this vastness stands humankind, small yet thoughtful. And from this thought arises a question: where did this play begin? Let us trace the timeline back to a moment where there was nothing. No light, no matter, no space, no time. But quantum physics tells us such a void may not be truly empty. This vacuum, known as the quantum vacuum, is a mysterious field. In this vacuum, tiny ripples of energy occasionally appear. These are called quantum fluctuations. Through these fluctuations, virtual particles and energies emerge, as if nothingness itself hides immense potential. This theory suggests if the vacuum holds enough energy, then in a single moment, something as vast as a universe can originate. Almost like a miraculous equation: nothing plus quantum laws equals everything. Or perhaps nothing doesn't really mean absolute nothingness. The famous Big Bang theory proposes that the universe began with an enormous explosion. Stephen Hawking, a legendary physicist, once said, "Because there is a law such as gravity, the universe can and will create itself from nothing." In his book, The Grand Design, Hawking claimed that the external force needed for the Big Bang could come from quantum fluctuations. Lawrence Krauss, in his renowned book, A Universe from Nothing, discussed some weaknesses in this theory. Hawking proposed that particles emerged from nothing through quantum fluctuations and were neutralized by the force of gravity. But a critical question remains: what did Hawking mean by nothing? Was it truly nothing, or the quantum vacuum, absence of matter? He didn't clarify. Hawking also stated that gravity is required for these quantum fluctuations to occur among particles in the vacuum. But he did not explain where this gravitational force came from, especially when space and time had not yet been created. He further said that the universe was born from quantum fluctuations. At that point, time didn't behave like it does today. Instead, time behaved like space, because initially, for fluctuations to occur, time wasn't needed. Only space was. But Hawking never explained when and how time, which once acted like space, began behaving like time again, and why. If the laws of physics created the universe through quantum fluctuations, then how did these laws operate in the void? Hawking never answered that. Much debate and research continue regarding Hawking's theory, but the concept of the Creator in Islam becomes crystal clear through a short yet infinitely profound verse in the Quran. In Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 117, Allah says, "He is the originator of the heavens and the earth. When He decrees a matter, He only says to it, 'Be,' and it is." This "be" is not just a command, it is a cosmic program. While Hawking couldn't explain where gravity came from for quantum fluctuations, how time turned into space and back, A believer finds peace in Allah's explanation. He said be, and it became. Where science says quantum vacuum, Islam says amr. For an example, imagine a magician walks onto a stage and says, "Watch," and from his empty hands a flower appears. The audience is amazed. They know it's a trick, but they don't understand how. The entire act was pre-planned, but to the viewer's eyes, that is magic. The Creator works similarly. He said, "Be," and by His will, space, time, energy, particles, life, all came into being. We see only the visible form, but the divine mechanism. Only He knows. The mystery of the universe is like a poem, whose first verse begins with an unwritten command, be, and everything becomes. May Allah grant us true knowledge and guide us to the right path. Our channel aims to present diverse perspectives on the concept of the Creator. If our efforts resonate with you, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, give it a like and share it with your friends.